Hello student, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a science teacher of class 7th. So dear start for the chapter 11 transportations in animals and plants. So let me start with the part 3rd stethoscope. Today's topic is stethoscope. The heartbeat can be the hardwire in the instrument is called as the stethoscope. It is used by the doctor to amplify the sound of the heart is consist of a chest piece that the carries a sensitive diaphragm, two ear pipes, a tube joining both the part. Doctor gets the known about the condition of heart while listening to the sound through the stethoscope. Look at this picture for the stethoscope, tube joining two parts, diaphragm, chest pieces and ear pipes. So it's called the stethoscope. You can prepare a model of the stethoscope by yourself. Take a small funnels of the 6 to 7 centimeter in the diameter and fix the rubber tube tightly on the stem of the funnel. So straight a rubber seat on the mouth of the funnel. Fix the tightly with the help of rubber band. Put the open end of the tube on one of your ear. Now place the mouth of the funnel of your chest near the heart. Listen the thumping sound carefully. These sounds are the heartbeat. Count the number of beat in minutes. Mechanism of the circulation. The construction of two arteries is the immediately or followed by the contraction of two ventricles, which leads to the continuous flow of blood in the human's body. The mechanism of the circulation can be summarized as follows. The blood passes through the capillaries of the lungs and the mix with the oxygen. This oxygenated blood is then carried from the lungs to the left auricles by four pulmonary veins. The left atrium, the contract and the oxygenated blood is the pushed into the left ventricles. The left ventricles pump the blood into the biggest blood vessels of the body is called aorta. It is the distribute the oxygen is the blood the different part of the body. So dear student, the left ventricles pump the blood into the biggest blood vessels of the body is called aorta. It distributed the oxygen reach the blood to the different part of the body. The oxygenated blood is the distributed to all the organs of the body through the capillaries. The deoxygenated blood from the various organs of the body enter the from the capillaries to veins and then to the right atriums. Right ventricles pump the impure blood into the pulmonary arteries that the carry into the right and the left lungs for the purification. So dear student, right ventricles pump the impure blood into the pulmonary arteries that carry into the right and the left lungs from the purification. The carbon dioxide is released as the bestest product from the lungs and again the blood. Observe the oxygen and become the oxygenated. The valves present on the both side of the heart regulate the blood flow from one chamber to another. This cycle keeps us the circulating continuously day and night even when we sleep. The English physicians Williams Harvey AD 7578 to 1657 discovered the circulation of blood. Who is the discoverer of blood? The English physician Williams Harvey discovered the circulation of blood. The current opinion that those the day was that the blood oscillate in the vessels of the body for his the view. Harvey was the radiculate and was called as the circulator. Lost most of his the patient, however, before he died. Harvey's idea about the circulation was generally accepted as the biological fact. Circulation is the spongy and the hydra. Spongy and the hydra are the simple animals that do not possess any circulatory system. They live in the water and therefore the food and the oxygen enter into their body along with water. The water also carries the carbon dioxide and other wastage materials away from the body as the moves out of their bodies. Excretion, the process of the removal of wastage material produced in the cells of the living organism, is called the excretion. Excretion, when your the body use food, water and air, it the produce some by the product or the unwanted substance. These are called the wastage material. These wastage material are toxic or the poisons and the cases harm to the body. So these poison substance if get mixed with blood may become the fatal and may cases the death of an organism. So therefore the wastage materials must be removed from the body so that a person may stay healthy. These the wastage material produced after the various function of body cells include the carbon dioxide, urea, sweat, etc. These wastage material are removed from the body different organs of the body like the lungs, kidney and sweat glands and sweat. So lungs is the CO2, kidney is urea and sweat gland is the sweat. These part of the organism of the body that are involved in the process of the excretion are called excretory system. Excretory system in humans, urea is the major wastage product released in our body. It is the produced as the waste product of the decompositions of the unused food production, unused food portion in the liver. It is a poison substance which must be removed from the body. Urea from blood is the removed by the kidney. Therefore, the kidney is the main excretory organs in our body. The urea and other unwanted salt when dissolving in water from the yellowish liquid waste is called urine. So, human excretory system, they are the pair of one is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra, and urinary opening. It consists of the 2.5% urea, 2.5% other wastage, salt, and 95% water. An adult human being normally pass out 1 to 1.8 liter of urine per day. The excretory system collect the urine and remove it. The excretory system of human being consists of two kidneys, two ureters, and bladder and urethra. Kidney, these are called the magic filter. Kidney are vein shaped organs present at the back of our body just above the waist. It is the brick red colored, about the 4 inches long. It is the reaches the supplied with the blood vessels. Kidney can filter the unwanted substance from the blood. Each kidney consists of the thousand of the tiny filter is called nephron. When the blood containing urea and the other waste is salt pass through these the nephron, it filter the blood and the remove urea and salt and urine are left in the kidney. The urine thus the formed by the each of the kidney is then the pass through the ureter to urinary bladder. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder for the some time and at the regular intervals. It is the removed through the opening at the end of the tube is called urethra. The process of the inject of urine is the called the micturations. The opening of the urinary bladder is the controlled by the ring of the muscles is called as the bladder sphincter. When the bladder becomes the full with urine, this bladder sphincter open and allow the urine to flow out. So dear student, today's topic is complete. So I send you the exercise PDF. So complete your work and send me. Thank you.